In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a file using Adobe Acrobat, which is a fundamental yet essential skill if you're handling PDF files. Whether you're saving the entire document, just a single page, or a special version with edits, there are several speedy methods to achieve what you need, and I'm here to guide you through them. Let's start with the most common saving method, saving the current document. Suppose you've made some changes and you want to update your existing file. All you need to do is head over to the File menu at the top left corner of your screen and select Save. Alternatively, the handy shortcut Ctrl+S will do the trick. This simply updates the file with the latest edits you've made, ensuring that your changes are preserved. Now, if you want to save a new copy of your document, that's where Save As comes into play. By selecting File and then Save As or Save As Other in some versions, you can choose a new file name or save it to a different location. This way, the original document remains intact while you create a fresh copy. It's incredibly useful if you need to maintain the original file as a reference or a backup. Let's say you only need a single page or several pages from your document. The Organize Pages tool is your best friend here. With this tool, you can easily extract, delete, or rearrange pages. Once you've made your adjustments, use Save As to store the resulting document. Alternatively, you can print to PDF by choosing your desired page range in the print dialog and selecting Save as PDF. This method is particularly handy when you want an exact subset of pages without restructuring the entire document. If you're working with scanned content, you might want to create a searchable PDF. In that case, use the Save As function after enabling OCR or optical character recognition if it's part of your workflow. This process makes your scanned documents more user-friendly, allowing you to search text within them. Now, for those interested in reducing file size, maybe for easier sharing or storage, you can save the file in a more compact format. Go to Save As and look for Save As Optimized PDF. This allows you to apply compression and downsampling settings to create a smaller file, which you can then save as a new document. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to efficiently save files in Adobe Acrobat. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy Adobe Acrobat tutorials.